Hey guys, my name is Jeremy from thewarriorsolution.com. In this video, we will be checking out this BR-4-G2 bipod made by Accu-Tac. This is one of their premium options available for bipods, so if you've been running a Harris and looking for an upgrade, this is exactly what you want. Accu-Tac provided this bipod to me for testing and review, but as always, that won't affect my thoughts or final score. Let's get into it. The bipod is precision CNC machined out of 6061 billet aircraft aluminum and is designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA. The screws and other hardware are high-strength steel, and the entire bipod has been Type 3 mil-spec hard anodized. The legs have 4 locking positions at 0 degrees, when closed, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees. You can also rotate the legs all the way to 180 degrees, but they do not lock in that position. That gives you several options for shooting at all kinds of different heights, angles, and uneven surfaces. Each leg can be adjusted independently from the other, so if you find yourself in an awkward shooting position, the Accu-Tac bipod can articulate into an equally awkward position to give you a super solid platform to shoot off of. In addition to the standard leg length of 7.5 inches for this BR-4-G2 model, each leg has an additional 5-position extension that can extend and lock out to 9.5 inches in total. This mechanism is extremely simple to use, and each position locks super securely. It's as simple as grabbing the bottom of the leg and pulling out to your desired height. No knobs, screws, or anything to mess with. To unlock the leg, just push the spring-loaded lever and it pops right back down to its normal retracted position. To deploy the bipod and adjust the angle of the legs, all you have to do is pull the legs away from the mount and rotate them to your desired angle. There's a heavy spring that will pull the leg into the position grooves, effectively locking it in place. Once the legs are positioned, the bipod is extremely solid. There is absolutely no wiggle, play, or give with this thing, which is awesome. It doesn't matter if you're pushing or pulling because the locking mechanism works both ways. If you've ever had a spring-loaded bipod collapse on you because you pulled the rifle into your shoulder just a little too much, or you were repositioning, this will be a big upgrade because the legs are completely locked in place and it's physically impossible for the bipod to collapse. Because the legs can be locked at a 45-degree angle forward, you can really put a lot of pressure forward while shooting and get a super solid position built up for precision shots. The various angles of the legs also allow you to get super low prone positions, which means you won't have to strain your back to get eyes on target or mess with your natural point of aim. And you'll have more of your body in contact with the ground, which will help with recoil management. Your silhouette will also be smaller, making you a harder target to detect if you have a job that involves crawling around for miles and tying leads to yourself. The bipod attaches to any standard mil-spec rail with a single quick detach adjustable throw lever. This is a significantly more stable and secure mounting solution than using a single sling swivel stud like a Harris bipod uses. The mount has 2 recoil lugs that will perfectly interface with the gaps in your rail, so once you lock it down with a throw lever, it's not going to move or come loose at all. I'm not exaggerating when I say this thing locks up with absolutely no movement at all. When you're trying to make a precision shot, you have plenty of things to worry about, so having a bipod that locks into whatever crazy position you put it in and stays there until you adjust it is fantastic. Accu-Tac also has Arca Swiss and Arca style rail mounts available that do not include the recoil lugs and are compatible with Arca mounts and rails. In addition to the 4 positions for the legs, this BR-4-G2 model also allows for rifle cant correction. The cant, or tilt if you prefer, can be locked and unlocked by a single rotating lever on the back of the mount. Once you get your rifle perfectly level, you can lock the bipod completely in all directions and get to work sending freedom seeds to their new home. Accu-Tac has several different sizes and styles of bipods to choose from for your specific needs and end use. Their naming system for the bipods is pretty confusing, so let me try and break it down so it makes a little more sense. Each bipod name starts with 2 letters to indicate which version it is. The letters and meanings are HD for heavy duty. These have wider and thicker legs than the others to help support larger rifles. WB stands for wide body. More width between the legs translates into more stability. FC for F-Class, meaning F-Class for Precision Rifle Competition matches. PC stands for Pan and Cant capability for tracking moving targets. LR for Large Rifle Bipod. But here's where it gets a little confusing because LR does not mean it is only for large rifles, which most people assume it is. It was just their large bipod at the time it came out. It has thicker and wider legs than the other models. SR stands for Small Rifle Bipod, meaning thinner legs than the LR and HD model. BR stands for Bolt Action Rifle Bipod. It was originally made with no adjustable height, and it was meant for a bolt action with a short magazine. G2 stands for Generation 2 features. The good news is that all of the bipods will work with any standard 1913 rail on any rifle. So really it just boils down to the size and features you're looking for. Going back to the names, after the letters there is typically a number. No one knows what this number really means, it's just a mystery. All I can say for sure is that the HD50 model is designed for a 50 BMG. I think the other numbers roughly translate to the bipod height when deployed, but in the case of this BR-4-G2, it's 7 inches tall and not 4 inches tall. Anyway, moving on to some optional accessories. The feet of each Accu-Tac bipod can be changed out for several different designs, including spikes, claws, sleds, and rubber balls. Choose the feet most suited for your intended use. If you're shooting off a bench all the time, you might want rubber feet. If you're going to be shooting prone in the dirt, grab yourself some spikes and claws to help dig in. The feet are simple screw-on designs, so you can easily change them out on the fly if needed. So in closing, this is by far the best bipod I've ever put hands on. During my time in the military on a sniper team, we used Harris bipods for our bolt guns and gas guns, and the standard issue bipod that came with the BR-107. I wish we had Accu-Tac bipods because they are a much better design, significantly more stable, and rock solid. If you're working behind long guns professionally and you aren't running an Accu-Tac, I would highly recommend taking a serious look at upgrading. The final score for this bipod is easily a 5 out of 5. If you're interested in picking up one of the Accu-Tac bipods, there are links in the description. If you have any questions about this bipod or any other gear, feel free to send me a message and I'll be happy to help you out as much as possible. Be sure to follow @TheWarriorSolution on Instagram for Second Amendment epicness and the latest gear reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.